Hello YouTube, it's DoomRocker9000 and I'm going to show you how to make something like this, where it works like a 3D object, but it actually isn't 3D. It looks 3D, and it works as if it was 3D. And it's really handy because you've got a game that's really laggy if you have so many subdivisions. Anyway, so we'll go new, and we'll delete the default cube and add a plane. So we've got our plane, press 7 to go to top view, and we'll just go tab to go into edit mode, and press U, unwrap. Now we can just press tab again, and drag these lines at the top right corner. Just drag them. Go down to UV image editor. Get this and press tab, and you should get this. Now we'll go new and call it normal. Oops. Okay, just get this. Now I can just press tab again and duplicate it by going Shift D. So you should get that. And this one will be our complicated mesh. So zoom up to it and maybe drag this across. Yep, and then I will just press tab and W, subdivide. Oh yeah, and over here we'll do baking now. Go normals and selected to active. Now we'll just go subdivide, 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 subdivide. One more time, subdivide. Now press T to get this up and go into sculpt mode. Get this and just do this. Do some basic lines. Probably wouldn't have this for a game, but yeah. Probably the bigger the lumps, the more noticeable it is that it isn't actually 3D. So yeah, we've got that. And they're pretty big, so probably recommend something like that size. It's just like didn't. Anyway, like that. And go back from sculpt mode to object mode. Press N to bring up this menu. Make sure it's on GLSL shading, this one. And press Alt Z to get into texture mode. So that's important. So you're basically just changed from solid to texture. And we'll scroll up, make sure this is on 0, 0, 0, so they should overlap. Now we'll select the bottom one. So it should have selected the basic mesh, and then shift right click onto the complicated mesh. Now press bake, and we should get something like this. Now we can just delete this complicated mesh, the 3D one. We'll have our normal plane. Now we'll go up to materials, add new, and now up to textures, add new image or movie, and then this paper symbol, and choose normal. We should get this kind of, looks kind of 3D but not quite. Now I'll just go back to materials and change the intensity from under specular down to 0, so no shine. Now also it's got this, it's pink. We don't want pink. So we scroll down to influence here and select color off. So it should go back to that. Now we'll go up, generated to UV and UV map. Should already be there. And now we'll just minimize them all. Oh yeah, and the influence again, normal. So you kinda get it looking sort of 3D, but lots of doesn't look that 3D unless you take a huge step back. But under image sampling, we have normal map here. Click that, and we get this. Now if we move the light, it acts as if it is 3D. So just bring it down a bit. As you can see, it actually works as if it was 3D, which is awesome, I think. It works exactly like that. But it isn't actually 3D, but it looks like it.